Mahamana Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Your kind attention please. Train number 12655 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3.
Please slow down and follow the updated speed
Passengers,
limit.
your kind attention please.
Make sure you hon
Train number
repeatedly to alert the workers.
12655 Tejas Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from
Okay, thanks for the
platform
heads up.
number
Speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now.
One but two lives yesterday. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong though. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her new